This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi everyone. Actually, last three sessions I didn't get a chance to record it. So one session was recorded, the videos are there, but last two sessions I haven't get a chance to record it. So from today, no issue with it all. So we can directly record it and share with you all. Okay. So the backup sessions, what we have discussed in last two sessions, I have recorded videos already. So go with that. I will share you the links. Okay. So just go with that and follow that. Okay. So from today we can go for directly. This is a GoToMeeting was very good app. So we can go for record it and share with you all, right? So this is a kind of sample analysis provided by Tableau. So guys, can you please mute it? Suresh, please mute it. Whenever you have question, unmute it. Okay, I'm getting noise. Right. So this is the dashboard which we have it in Tableau. It's free built it by the Tableau is providing the sample dashboard. Okay, can we see that customer analysis? What we are doing in this dashboard is customer analysis. We are doing on analysis on customers. So first report you can see that count of
Srinivas sir,
yeah.
could you please open this once again? I didn't see this like from starting onwards.
No, I will show you again. No worries. Okay,
Okay.
I will show you in the end of that last how I open it. I will show you. Okay, so customer analysis. The customer analysis will show you that count of customers. Okay, so each region why how many customers are there for the particular business. Okay, so the business, what is the file it is related to that online ordering. So we can go for order the different products in online. So we can go for deliver it. It's like Amazon kind of thing. We can order some products in online, they are going to be delivered. So each region wise how many customers are there. So count of customers is region. West region, how many customers are there? 686. East region, 681. Central region, 629. And South region, 512. So the end user know that, okay, these many customers are there in this particular region. I want to make it target 1000. I want to make it for the next year. I want to make my target as 1000 for the next year, right? So currently the count of customers in the region is like this. I want to make a target. I can go for establish my plan and I try to go for bring the customers into the stores and sell them. Okay, kind of thing plan we can do that based on this. If you know that in the west region these many customers are there, then only you can go for plan for the next year targets. I want to make this into the 1000. I can plan for my figure. I want to achieve this kind of decisions you can take it, and regarding you can plan your business, right? Similarly, you can go with the sales. How was the sales in the each region? How was the sales in the each region? You can see that the sales in the west region is 7,39,814, right? The sales was in the west region. Which is the highest sales is happening? Which region highest sales is happening? In the west region, right? So this is the highest sales happening in that particular west region. And east region we have this much sales, and central region this much of sales we have it. So I can understand that, okay, sales was good at west region where you have the highest customers are there, right? So you can see that the customers difference between east and west, how many customers difference is there?
5.
West, 5 customers. But if you see the sales difference, how much sales difference is there? Almost $40,000, right? Almost $40,000, right? The sales difference. So then west region is performing well. West region is performing well in the sales wise as well. And quantity, you can go for see the quantity by each and every region. West region, this much of quantity sale will happen, and east region, the quantity of sale is 11,159, and east central region and south region. So sales per customer, for average, on average, how much sales is happening for each region wise? On average, how much sales is happening with the each customer? So the customer on average, they are buying for $1,078. Okay. Average from customer, we are getting the $1,078 from the west region and east region we are getting 1016 and central region this much. And what was the profit? What was the profit we are getting from the west region? We are getting profit 1 lakh 10,799 dollars. That's the profit from the west region. From the how much profit we are getting from the west region, and what is the profit ratio? Okay, what is the profit ratio? So based on this I can understand it, my west region is performing well. So I can go for appreciate the people working on the west region, and they are getting good profits, right? So as a CEO or director or vice president, they are in high level people, how they can go for understand that where the sales is happening good or bad. So based on this kind of analysis, they can go for understand it, right? They don't go for directly dig into the data, do the some Excel reporting and all. They cannot do that. They don't have that much of time. So based on this analysis, they can go for understand it. Okay, this particular region is not performing well. So south region, the sales was low, right? So based on this analysis, so they can go for identify why the south is not performing well, so where they're doing the mistakes, and they can go for troubleshoot that, and they can go for rectify their mistakes and try to they go improve their business in south region as well. So using this report they understand this is a sales south is 512, it's very low compared with all the regions, right? So this is all based on decision making. I want to take some decision, I need this kind of report which can give me insight on all the business areas, right? You can go for customer ranks. So who is the best, who is the top 5 customers, top 10 customers, and who are there in the top 10 customers list based on the revenue or sales they are doing, right? So we can understand that these are the top customers in my business. Okay, I can go for here, I can select the particular year. On the particular year, uh, who are best custom, who are the top 5 customers or top 10 customers, I want to understand it. Yes, you can go for select that particular year from the report, and try to understand that. So I selected only 2019. In 2019, can we see that here west region, the customers are 271. Okay, how was the revenue growth and all in 2019? What are who are the topmost customers, right? We can get it that all information. So we can go for see that 2020 and 2022. So I can select 2022, how was the sales, and you can see the customer Raymond Bush, who is the top highest customer. All right, this is all we can understand based on the visualization. What are the visualization will build us that can be help to the high level management to understand that how was the business happening and who are the customers and all. This is related to customer dashboard. This is all related to customers. So you can go with one more dashboard next. So product dashboard, there is a product. The dashboard which can be give us product related information. Okay, each product wise how was the sales is there, right? Each month wise you can see here furniture and office supplies technologies. We have 3 different categories, and each year wise how was the sales. Okay, year and month wise how was the sales is there in the uh, different categories. So we have the filters and central region. If I select the central region, each central region wise sales how much. Okay, so this is all. Once we can go for build the different kind of visualizations, you get understand that what exactly it is. So finally what we are going to do with the Tableau is we can build a different kind of visualization for the business people. Okay, they can go for take a decisions based on this visualizations, right? Clear? Any questions? All right, so these are different kind of visualizations. It's a free built by the Tableau. So where I can find this dashboard is you need to go for connect page. Go for connect page. In the bottom of it, you can find it accelerators, superstores, regional, world indicators. These are 3 sample dashboards which is available with a Tableau desktop. You can go for check them. You can go for check them. Double click on it, it will open it. Okay. But here we have that a dashboard option. You can click on it. We can open the dashboard. All right.
Okay.
Just a minute. So meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Just give a minute. Prashanti garu అర్థమైందండి what we are doing with the Tableau?
Yes, అర్థమైంది.
All right. So how we can connect to the data source? So this is the Tableau desktop window where we can go for build the different kind of visualizations. So in the Tableau, we have the 5 different components. Mainly, we have the 5 different components. So anyone can tell me what are the 5 different components? What are the all components of the Tableau? Prashanti, please note down that the main components of the Tableau.
Tableau desktop, and
Yeah.
the second one is Tableau Reader,
Okay.
and third one is Tableau Online,
Okay.
and fourth one is Tableau Server,
Okay.
and fifth one is Tableau on Tableau Public,
Okay.
and recently added Tableau sixth component, that is was Tableau Prep.
Very good. Yeah. So these are the main 6 components of the Tableau: Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau online, Tableau public, Tableau reader, okay, and Tableau prep. Okay, these are all the main components of the Tableau. So among these all 6 components, we are going to be use it 3 components: Tableau desktop, Tableau server, uh, Tableau server or Tableau online. Okay, Tableau desktop is the main component where we can go for do that all the development activities. Okay, we can do the visualization using the Tableau desktop. We can do the visualization using the Tableau desktop. These are all the 6 components mainly we have with the Tableau. So family of Tableau, we can say that. So Tableau desktop is a component we can go for build all the development activities. Once you have done your development activities, we can go for publish that visualizations as like worksheets, dashboards, and stories. What we can do with the Tableau desktop, mainly you can say that we can create a worksheets, dashboards, and stories. Okay, so the visualization which we can build in the sheet called as worksheet. Okay, we can combine all worksheets into the single dashboard or multiple dashboards. Combining the worksheets and drag them into the dashboard is called as, so we combine the all the worksheets in a single dashboard. Okay, and we can go for drag the worksheets and dashboards into stories. Okay, 3 main components which we have it. Worksheets, we can create it different kind of worksheets, dashboards, and stories. All right, yeah, these 3 things we can do it. Yeah, let me connect to the sample superstores. So I have a sample data set here that is called as sample superstores. Click on that. Click on that. Okay, this is the sample superstores data which we have it, and I can go for build some sample visualization using this data. Okay, so click on the 3 options which we have it here: new worksheet, new dashboard, new story. New worksheet, new dashboard, new story. All right, these are the 3 things we can do it at using the different functionalities which we have in the Tableau desktop. Just I'm going to build a new worksheet. Click on that. So here we have a different kind of fields. It's like the table which we have the fields, right? So the all field, dimension fields and measure fields. So what is a dimension table and what is a fact table? Anyone can tell me that? What is a dimension table and what is a fact table here?
Dimension table contain detailed information. It's contain master data. And, fact table contains foreign keys of a dimension table and numerical values.
Exactly. Okay, dimension table contains descriptive information and master data. We can say that dimension table contains master data, or we can say that dimension table contains descriptive information. What is mean by descriptive information? Okay, which can be described about the particular customer, particular product, particular country, particular year, kind of thing. Okay, so fact table means fact table contains foreign keys of the dimension table and measures numerical values, foreign keys of the dimension table and numerical values. Okay, one second. Yeah, sorry. So we can go for bill. Yeah, someone is answering. It's like what is a dimension table and what is a fact table? So any other person, not Shiva, any other one can explain that what is a dimension table and what is a fact table?
Dimension table, it's all about uh, descriptive details we'll get about the product or any other.
Okay. What is
And
a fact table?
facts is about what numerical values. It's like a percentage or any other numericals.
Yeah, great. And see, guys, it's like just I explained that. See, catch that point and explaining the same. So being active and already who are listening the class from last 3 days. Okay, last session we discussed about the same thing. What is the dimension table and what is the fact table? And I shown you the tables as well, right? So you need that enthusiasm and at the same time interest. Okay, so then only we can go for survive in the market. So I have some tables here. Adventure Works is the one of the data set which we can get it from that Microsoft. So here, just I want to show you how the dimension table look like and how the fact table look like. Okay, so try to go for drag this dim underscore customers. Why you are saying this is a descriptive information? Maybe you ask me that why it's a descriptive information, why you are saying dimension table contains descriptive information. That's the reason I'm showing you this. Select star from customers. So if you go with this table, you can find descriptive information of the particular customer. Take the customer ID 11000, the customer ID geographic key, where that customer belongs to, which location, and title, first name, last name, and birthday, when that customer date of birth, and marital status, gender, email address, right? This is all descriptive information about that customer ID, right? That's a customer who have the customer ID. That's all related to the customer description. That's all related to the customer description, right? So all information about descriptive information about the particular customers, right? Who are the customers are right there? Those are all customer information. That's why we are saying this is a master data. The date of birth could not be changed by any customer, right? That's why we say that it's a master data. Can we change the male status? Marital status, maybe we can change, we cannot change it. And gender, can we change the for particular customer? No, right? That's why we say that that's a master data. And at the same time, dimension table contains descriptive information. Dimension table contains descriptive information. Let me drag one more table. So we have the table called as account. So select star from dim account. Yeah, sorry. So you can go for run this. Just I'm going to run this table. Select statement. Account key, parent account key, account ID, and account description. What kind of account is it? It's like current assets, cash, receivables, trade receivables, other receivables. Different type of account description is there, which we can get it here. Account type assets, liabilities, and expenditures. Okay, statistics and flow, balance, liabilities, and revenue. Kind of different account types are there. Operator and customer member. Value type, what is the currency type, we have it, kind of information. This is all information about that account. What are, who are the customers, have the accounts, that kind of account information. That's why I say that account also is a dimension table. Okay, you can take it that organization, drag the organization table, select star from particular dim organization table. Try to check this. So organization key, parent organization key, organization name of the organization, we have it. Okay, each organization can have the one key. That's the primary key of the organization, right? So this is the organization dimension table. So the dimension tables look like this. Okay, descriptive information about the particular category. So if you go with the product dimension, how the product dimension look like? Select star from product. So try to execute this and check the what kind of data you have it. So product key untadi, it will be, there will be a product key for each and every product, and product name, right? And color, which color the product belongs to, it's like, and safety stock level on render point. So we have some information about the product, right? So current status current, and all this is all related to the product information. This is all related to the product information. So this is also product dimension, we have it. So how the fact table look like? How the fact table look like? You can go for take that fact internet sales. The name itself, we are specifying that dim product, dim organization, dim account, dim customers. Whereas we come to the fact table, fact internet sales. Select start from fact internet sale, execute it. Okay, product key, order key, due date key, skip key, customer key. So what are these? Are all keys are there? These are all keys related to the dimension table primary keys. So how you can join these dimension tables and fact tables is using the primary key foreign key relationship. Okay, so the product key, if you go with the product table, there is a primary key, the related foreign key is in the fact table. Product key related foreign key in the fact table. Similarly, these are all the keys, foreign keys of the dimension tables. At the same time, if you see that unit price, extended amount, unit price discount points, unit price discount amount, product standard cost, total cost, total product cost, sales amount, tax amount, fight, something. We have that these are all the numerical values, measures. We can say that these are all the numerical values, and at the same time you can call them as a measures. Okay, unit price, extended amount. Okay, these are all can be saved in the fact table. So how you can identify that particular customer have that particular transaction? Okay, so suppose I want to go for find out that what is the customer, the particular customer done that, how much sales it has been done by the particular customer. Okay, how can we identify that? So let me go for take the only two tables. Okay, I'm taking this out too. I have the demand score customer and fact internet sale. Let me run these two tables. Okay, so which customer related information you want to identify in your fact table? Tell me the one customer ID. So which customer information you want to find out? The customer ID, I want to find it 11003. Okay, how much transaction he has done it, right? What is the amount of sold something? What are the measure values I want to find out for the customer 11003? So we have two tables. One table has a customer, another table has the numerical values where we have that sales information. I want to know that the particular customer ID 11003, how much unit price he bought it. What is the unit price he bought it? And related sales metrics, I want to see that. So how can we get that? Can anyone tell me that how to write a query for these two? Select customer ID. I want to take the customer ID, right? Okay, customer ID. So let me check that field name. So this is a customer key, not customer ID. Customer KEY. Okay. Okay, customer key, comma. What is the other fields I wanted? I wanted unit price, comma, extended amount, both unit price and extended amount, not more than that. Okay, let me take that unit price, comma, extended amount, right? Can you see that extended amount? Okay, so customer key we are taking from customer table. I can take it as a C, and this is I am taking from fact table f dot unit price. This is also I'm taking from fact table f dot extended amount. Okay, from which tables we are taking? Customers. So you can mention it dim underscore dbo dot dim customer table. Okay. 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 C. I can mention alias name of this C. Okay. Inner join. I can use that inner join. Okay. And what table we have it? dbo dot fact internet sales. Okay, fact internet sales. This is the table. I can take it. I can make it as F, right? Two table alias names. C is the customer, F is the fact table. On C dot customer key equal to the customer key already we are taking here, right? Equal to F dot, what we can take it? F dot, the customer key is there in this table or not? You can check it. Yes, we have the customer key here. Okay, customer key. And what else we wanted? I want to find only the particular customer. I want to find that only for the particular customer. So where
Customer key is
customer key equal to
11003.
11003. So here you need to make a space and C dot. All right, can I run this? Double 1003, we are getting these many records. So we are getting individual records. If I want to go for get a single record, what I need to do? We are getting multiple 9 records we are getting. I want to get only single record, only one record. What we need to do? Get a single record. So if you want to get the single record, we need to be aggregate this data. Sum of that unit price. Okay. Sum of extended amount. Okay. And finally, you need to make a group by. Group by C dot customer key. Okay. Group by customer. We need to do that. Right. Just try to run this query. We can get the single record. What is the total? What is the extended amount total unit price done by this particular customer? So as unit price, you can mention it, and as extended amount, E amount, I can say that. Try to run this. We can get a single record, right? Clear? This is the way we can go for aggregate the data. So here the amounts, sales amounts, which we have it here, unit price and extended amount we are getting from fact table, and dimension table we are getting customer key. Not only customer key, what are the information you want to get it from customer, you can get it here. Okay, customer name or customer first name, last name, customer date of birth, whatever information you wanted, you can simply take it here. Okay, so write it first name, comma, last name, you can take it. All right, so anyhow you can mention C dot first name. These are all getting from customer table. The customer table alias name is C, just I'm mentioning here. And at the same time, these should be there in the group by as well. And these should be there in the group by as well. Okay, try to run this. You can get that first name, last name of the customer as well. All right. So why we are seeing this all is you need to be understand that which is the fact table and which is the dimension table. Okay, fact table contains numerical values and foreign keys of the dimension tables. Dimension table contains master data, or dimension table contains descriptive information. So if you say that what is a dimension table? Dimension table contains descriptive information. He will ask you that, interviewer or some person ask you that what is a descriptive information means. You can explain that way. The dimension table, suppose I can take it a geographic dimension. Geographic dimension contains country, state, city, pin code, district. These are all information held by this geographic dimension. Okay, so such kind of information you need to give that. Clear? Any questions here? What is a dimension table and what is a fact table? All right. So what is the star schema? What is the star schema? Okay, so once you have the dimension tables and fact tables, once we have the dimension tables and fact tables, so we can go for try to build the data model. So we can say that it's a data model. So we can design the data in a star schema model. All right, so let me show you that how the star schema look like. So this is a star schema. So here you can see that four different dimension tables are there: time dimension table, location dimension table, item dimension table, and branch dimension table. So these are the four different dimension tables which directly connecting with the sales fact table. Okay, the dimension tables directly connected, all the dimension tables directly connected with a single fact table. That's we can call it as a star schema. Not only 4 dimension, it may be 10 dimensions. All dimensions directly interacting with the fact, already directly connect with the fact table, then we can call it as a star schema. Okay, then we can call it as a star schema. In the star schema, fact table can be surrounded by multiple dimension tables. We can say that it's a star schema. Okay, so here star schema model is a very faster than, it's like very frequently using data model in the it's like real time. Why we are going to use the star schema is each and every dimension directly connected with the fact table. So what are the column selection you do, dimension table fields and fact table fields. So very quickly they can go for check that fact table, and it will bring the related data into the visualization. Okay, there is no multiple joins, number of joins very less here. Okay, number of joins is very less. Those are all dimensions can be directly interacting with the fact table. That's why is this suggestible. The join and data model is suggestible for the building in the Tableau level or Power BI level, wherever you can go for design it, or ETL level as well. Okay, then what is the other schema type? One is a star schema, another one we have a snowflake schema. Okay, the other schema type is called a snowflake schema. In the snowflake schema, it's an extension of the star schema. We can say that snowflake schema is the extension of the star schema. So here you can observe that the fact table connected with directly with 4 dimensions only: seller dimension, date dimension, event dimension, and zip code dimension. These 4 dimensions directly connected with the fact table. All right, see seller dimension, I have the seller ID. So you can see that seller ID is there, seller ID with the seller dimension. Date dimension, date ID is there. Event dimension, event ID is there. Zip code dimension, zip code is there. These 4 dimensions only directly connected with the fact table. So there is other dimensions as well: lookup, location lookup, population lookup, state lookup. These three are not directly connected with the fact table. These three are not directly connected with the fact table, right? So these three are connected with a zip code dimension. The dimension can have the subdimension. The dimension can have the subdimension. That's we can call it as a snowflake schema. If we have this particular dimension, any dimension, if you go with any dimension can have the subdimension in the data model, that's we can call it as a snowflake schema. That's we can call it as a snowflake schema. So why star schema is better than snowflake schema is, so if I want to go for state name wise sales, I want to get that state name wise quantity of sold. Suppose state name wise quantity of sold I want to get into my visualization. So how many joins need to be validated? How many joins need to be validated? So if you go with the zip code dimension, the fact table and zip code join need to be validated. Then zip code dimension to location lookup need to be validated, and location lookup to state lookup need to be validated. 4 joins are there, almost 3 joins are there, right? So in the database need to be checked these 3 joins, and related data need to be bring into the visualization. So the validation, it will take some time. If you want to go for check multiple joins, it will take some time, right? That's why snowflake schema, star schema is the faster than snowflake schema. Star schema is the faster than snowflake schema. Okay, so what are the two different types of schemas we have? It mainly star schema and Snowflake schema data models, and we can, which one we can go for use it, and which is the faster one? Compare with these two means you can say that star schema is faster than Snowflake schema. Very regularly we can use it, star schema. Okay, can we use a Snowflake schema as well? Yes, we can use the Snowflake schema as well, based on the business requirement. Okay, based on the design. Okay, so this is all the questions you can get it. So clear with what is the star schema and Snowflake schema? Any questions regarding this? What is the star schema? The fact table directly connected with all the dimensions. We can call it as a star schema. Okay. Snowflake schema means it's extension of the star schema. One dimension can have the sub dimensions. That's we can call it as a Snowflake schema. Okay, that's we can call it as a Snowflake schema. So compare with the Snowflake schema, star schema, which is the fastest one? Star schema is the faster. Why it's a star schema is the faster means you can say that the fact table and dimension tables directly connected. Okay, directly connected each other. Clear? Any questions here? Right. Now we can go for see that our Tableau desktop. So we need to be understand which are the dimensions and measures, right? We came here because of that understanding of dimensions and facts. So let me go back to our Tableau desktop. So here you can easily identify, Tableau can identify that which are the descriptive information we have it that can be represented in a blue color. Color representation is there first. The color representation of the dimensions can be represented in a blue color. Okay, these are all the discrete fields. We can call it as a discrete elements, okay, or dimension fields. Whereas you have the numerical values, discount, profit, quantity, sales, all measures can be represented in a green color. All measures can be represented in a green color. It can be done by the Tableau itself. We no need to go for do anything. Tableau can go for understand that which are the numerical values and which are the discrete fields, dimension fields. Okay, it will separate them and it will give the color representation as well. Okay, the blue color represent that. Blue color represent that dimension fields. Okay, green color represent the measure fields. Yeah, sorry guys. So this is the representation of dimension fields here in blue color, and all the numerical values measures can be represented in a green background color. Okay, green color. At the same time, numerical values can be represented with the ash. We can get it ash means it's a numerical values, and where we have the text data, its text means ABC. If you have the date data types, those can be represented in a calendars. Okay, the where you have hierarchies, we can build the hierarchy models. Okay, this is all the representation of the data. This is all the representation of the data. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is all the representation of the data. Simple. If we have the data here, we can go for just drag them, drag the customer name into rows. We can see all the customer information here. How many customers are there? Okay, and each customer wise, what is the sales and profit which you are getting? We can simply drag and drop it here. We can get that information here. Okay, so what is the sales of the each customer? So if you put it ascending and descending orders, so we can get those values each customer wise. What was the sales? Customer names we have it and their sales values, right? So this is the kind of visualization we can build it. I want to bring that only top 10 customers, top 20 customers kind of thing. We can apply the filter on the customer simply, and we can bring those customers. Top option we have it by field. Top 10 customers I wanted. Apply. Okay. These are the top 10 customers based on the sales who are doing the more orders. Okay. These are the top 10 customers who are doing the best sales. Okay. This is the kind of visualization we built once we get the data into the Tableau desktop level, right? So if you can go for change the color of these members, and if you want to build some different kind of visualizations, that's also we can bring it in. So however we want it, we can design that. I want to bring the top 10 customers into the pie chart. We can bring into the pie chart. All right. So how we want to be represented, we do that. Top 10 customers, we want to represent any kind of circles. Yes, we can bring that. These are the top 10 customers. Okay. Any questions so far? Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will share you the 3 links, which is we have so far discussed. So go with those videos and try to be understand that connections and how we can connect to the data sources, and what are the different kind of connections. At the same, what we discuss is today. The 3 video links I will share you. Just go through that and try to understand it. From the next session, tomorrow morning, if everyone okay, I will take the session at 7:30 or 8. Okay, 1 hour session. Otherwise, we can go with a Monday. Okay, try to understand these all concept, basic concept. From next session onwards, we are going to build a visualizations. Okay, we take the simple requirements directly. We can take the simple requirements. We can build the visualizations. Okay, we can go with a different simple scenario based kind of thing, right? So these are all the options. First, we discuss that what is the color, size, label, detail, and tooltip. How we are going to use these all marks, and then we can go for build the visualizations. Okay. Yeah. Try to download the Tableau desktop and install it, and we need to be practice it. Okay. Then only you can remember these all the concept. Okay. Yeah, I will share you the link. From tomorrow also, we can just connect it with the GoToMeeting only. It is very comfortable. Okay, I will share you the link and update you by evening. Okay, what time we are going to meet it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you everyone. Happy
Thank
Friday.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.